Gratitude's an effective technique for positive mental health. Gratitude's defined as a positive state of being, a feeling of thankfulness and appreciation for someone or something, and a social emotion that signals our recognition for those and that around us. Consistent gratitude practice, we know, can increase levels of well-being, positive affect, optimism, connection, motivation, and even life satisfaction. Gratitude also increases individuals' desire to help a stranger, which is certainly important in the field of healthcare. In one study, healthcare providers who wrote down things for which they were grateful twice a week reported less stress and depression. And in contrast, those who wrote down things that bothered them at work became more frustrated over time. From research, we know that there are indeed ways to make gratitude practice more effective. Number one, setting aside dedicated time. Maybe it's the first thing in the morning, before you go to bed, after or before a shift, during your regular meals. Pick a short amount of time to practice gratitude daily if possible. Second, reflect on your day. Take a few moments, even just a few brief moments, to reflect on the positive experiences, people, or things that you are grateful for during a chosen time frame. These things may be simple and small, like I drove to work safely, or the sun was out and it warmed my skin as I walked into work. Third, be specific and as descriptive as you can when possible. So instead of generic statements like, I'm grateful for my family or my health, try, I'm grateful for my sister's support with the bake sale this week. And then this is a really important one. Express why you are grateful. Elaborate on it. If you elaborate, it makes you feel the positive impact that it had on your life. For example, I'm grateful for my sister's support with the bake sale this week because I felt loved and it saved a lot of time. This helps deepen your connection to the gratitude and reinforces the positive emotions associated with it. So let's try a gratitude practice together today. So settling into a place of stillness and putting your arms and legs in a place that are comfortable for you. And as always, closing your eyes if that feels good, and if not, just a soft gaze downward. And allowing yourself to let go of what came before this moment and trying as best as you can to let go of what's coming and just arrive here for a few moments. Settling into your breath as an anchor and just noticing your inhales and your exhales. And if your breath isn't comfortable, just choose one other thing to focus on for a moment. And in this space of quiet and stillness, just for a moment, think of one thing or person that you are grateful for in this moment. It doesn't matter if it's the biggest or the smallest, just one thing. And if more than one thing or person pops to mind, just choose one for now. And say to yourself, I am grateful for, and then ask yourself, why am I grateful? And be as specific as you can as to the why. And maybe if today you have trouble coming up with something, you may even just say, I'm grateful for my breath. And knowing that you can come back to this place of gratitude anytime during your day, during transitions. And then if your eyes were closed during this practice, opening them up and returning to your day, feeling a sense of gratitude. So throughout your day, I invite you to try this. We know that research has also found that sharing gratitude with others increases the positive benefits for both yourself and your relationships. So you might consider, after a code, in the huddle afterward during feedback, sharing gratitude with others. Or you might show gratitude with a short email or a note to a colleague. You know, when things go well, we often don't take time or think to express gratitude to those around us, but it can make a really big difference. And remember, gratitude doesn't mean saying that everything is wonderful all the time. It means that we can find small things to be thankful for, even when things are hard.